Welcome to an exciting journey into modern JavaScript ES6 Plus features. Today, we're diving deep into arrow functions, the spread operator, destructuring, and template strings. We'll unravel the nuances of these features, explore examples of their use, and understand how they can transform the way we write JavaScript code. This is a remarkable opportunity to embrace the evolution of JavaScript and arm yourself with the tools for efficient and elegant coding. So, let's begin our exploration and turn our learnings into practice in the hands-on exercises that follow. Are you ready? Let's get started. JavaScript has undergone significant evolution from the original ECMAScript standard. Innovations starting from ECMAScript 2015, also known as ES6, and continuing with subsequent releases have added many advanced features to the language. Today, we're focusing on 4 transformative features: arrow functions, the spread operator, destructuring assignment, and template strings. All of these come to life through practical examples, helping you revolutionize your coding efficiency and capabilities. Our exploration begins with arrow functions. Adding a modern twist to traditional function notation in JavaScript, arrow functions provide for a much cleaner and concise vocabulary. A standout symbol of arrow functions is the arrow operator. Whether you're defining a function with no parameters, one parameter, or multiple parameters, the syntax remains impressively crisp. To illustrate this on the slide, you can see 3 examples of arrow functions. From a simple greeting function to an arithmetic multiplier, observe the elegance and clarity in definition, a true exemplar of the advancements JavaScript has embraced. Moving from JavaScript functions to data structures, we now encounter the spread operator. The spread operator, represented by triple dots, imbues JavaScript with an intuitive way to handle arrays and objects. It can be used to easily copy arrays and objects, add elements to arrays, and merge objects. As demonstrated on the slide, we use the spread operator to add peach and pear to our fruits array and a role property to our user object. Look how effortlessly we were able to manipulate and manage our collections. Now that's the power of JavaScript ES6+. Next, let's explore destructuring, another time-saving feature of ES6+. It allows you to unpack values from arrays or properties from objects into distinct variables. This comes in handy when you want to assign multiple values at once, thereby enhancing the readability and efficiency of your code. On the slide, you'll see an example of destructuring an array and an object. We have an RGB array and an RGB object. With array destructuring, we can assign the array elements to the variables red, green, and blue in a single line of code. The same principle applies to object destructuring. As you can imagine, this can be a game changer when working with complex data structures in JavaScript. Another competent feature ES6+ brings to the table is template strings. If you've been struggling with the conventional way of string interpolation, your worries are about to be allayed. Template strings dramatically simplify string interpolation. They are defined using backticks and embed expressions within dollar and braces. As shown in the example on the slide, we're using template strings to combine the variables greet and name into a more complex string. Just see how clean and clear the code is. No more clumsy plus signs, just a clear and maintainable statement. This is particularly useful in composing complex sentences, messages, or even generating parts of a HTML structure dynamically. Such efficient syntax certainly helps in improving the readability and maintenance of your code. Another useful operation with strings is the join method. As illustrated in the second code snippet, this method concatenates array elements by inserting a specified string given as a parameter between each pair of adjacent elements. Congratulations! You've explored and familiarized yourself with the powerful features of JavaScript ES6+, arrow functions, the spread operator, destructuring assignment, and template strings. These features are more than mere novelties. They are transformative tools that will help you write efficient, readable, and elegant JavaScript code. Remember, understanding the concepts is just the first step. To truly master them, you need to put them into practice. So, let's charge forth and start coding. We look forward to seeing the brilliant codes you'll write using these ES6+ features. Happy coding!